Alright, we have this question here to solve for x, given that log x plus log x minus 1 equal to log 3x plus 12. We are assuming here that the base is to base 10. Alright, we'll do some simplification on the left hand side first. We have a property of logarithms that says that log of a times b is equal to the log of a plus the log of b. So if we apply that here to the left hand side, we'll have that log of x, let's write down the expression completely, plus log of x minus 1 equals log of 3x plus 12. This left hand side would then become log of x times x minus 1. We're applying this property to the left hand side, and this is equal to the log of 3x plus 12. Since the bases are the same on the left hand side and the right hand side, we can equate x into x minus 1 to 3x plus 12. This will give us x squared minus x is equal to 3x plus 12. We bring like terms together, or bring all the terms to the left hand side. Since this is a quadratic equation, we'll have that x squared minus x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? This will give us x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which you can solve easily by factorization. And we can factorize this as x plus 2 into x minus 6 equals 0. So x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2 from both sides. It gives us x plus 2 minus 2 equals minus 2, or 0 minus 2. And so x equals minus 2. Similarly, we'll have that x minus 6 is equal to 0. We add 6 to both sides of the equation, so we have x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6. And so x is equal to 6. Okay, so these are the two values of x that we have, but we need to test to see that they actually satisfy the original equation, this one, because there are some values of x for which the logarithm is not defined, negative values for that matter. So let's start and test the first one, where we have x equals minus 2. Okay, so if we substitute this into the original equation, we'll have that log of minus 2 plus log of minus 2 minus 1 is equal to log of 3 times minus 2 plus 12. This is equal to that. Now we see here that we are looking for a log of a negative number, and the log of a negative number is not defined. So log of minus 2 is not defined. So x equals minus 2 is not a solution to the problem. Now let's take a case where x equals 6. So if x equals 6, this implies that log of 6 plus log of 6 minus 1 is equal to log of 3 times 6 plus 12. We're checking if this is equal to that. So this will be log of 6 plus log 5. Is it equal to log 3 times 6 is 18 plus 12. We can write the left hand side as log of 6 times 5. Is it equal to log 18 plus 12, which is 30? Okay, is that equal to that? Log of 6 times 5 is the same as log 30, which is equal to the right hand side, which is also log 30. Therefore, x equals 6 is the only solution. Thank you. As usual, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.